Consider the following species: CN positive, CN negative, NO and CN. Which one of these will have the highest bond order? First is NO, second is CN negative, third is CN positive, fourth is CN. And now here we can see that CN positive. So the valence electron for the CN positive, there are 4 plus 5 minus 1, that is equal to 8. And it is because in carbon we have 4 valence electron and in nitrogen we have 5 valence electron, and due to the positive ion, that is minus 1, so number of valence electrons are 8. And to calculate the bond order, half of into 4 minus 0, that is equal to 2. So in NO, valence electrons are 5 plus 6, because in nitrogen there are 5 and in oxygen there are 6, so total number of 11. So to calculate the bond order, here we have 1 by 2 into 6 minus 1, that is 2.5. And for the CN, valence electrons are 9, and the bond order is 2.5. And for the CN negative, valence electrons are 10, so the bond order is 1 by 2 into 6 minus 0, that is 3. And highest the bond order for the CN negative. CN negative has the highest bond order, that is the option number 2.